club developments that we have planned for the semester. We have a couple of exciting things planned. So to get started, let's quickly go over today's agenda. We'll first introduce all the lovely team that we have here at John Jay. Then we'll talk about all of our events that we have planned. We have a bunch of events. We also have a planned hackathon coming up at the end of April, so make sure to look out for that. And we'll go into more detail in the slides. And we also have a couple of new club developments, like new positions that we're recruiting for the exec board. New club website blog that we recently launched this winter. And then we'll wrap things up with any final announcements, like the TF team, which you guys might not know of yet, and such links of where you can reach us. And we have a bunch of flyers on the front that'll take you to our website. And welcome everyone on Zoom as well. And now let's get started with introducing the execs, starting with Annie.
Hey everybody, my name is Annie. Nice to meet all of you. So why did I become an exec of a club? Well, it has always been my desire to push the club organization to reach its new heights with all of my fellow teammates. As for the new heights, we will go into more details about this later today. Some fun facts about me. I love ramen. Ramen is always my #1 favorite food. I am so sorry to all the pasta lovers, to all the rice lovers, to all the falafel lovers. I'm also a fan of MKBHD. He's a YouTube video creator that focuses on all things related to tech gadgets. And one more fun fact about me, I am really interested in chess. I've subscribed to Levi Rosman's video on all things related to chess, and I find that his way of presenting chess games is really entertaining. All right, next.
Next we have the assistant treasurer, Brian. He's going to be here shortly, and he'll introduce himself near the end. Now we're going to introduce Catherine.
Hi, I'm Catherine. Why did I become an exec of the club? Well, mainly because I love cybersecurity and I've been really into it for a while now. And I wanted to get more involved with the club here and try to help out in any way that I can. Fun fact, I'm also majoring in economics. So if you guys like economics, come talk to me. Also, my other major is applied mathematics, but that's irrelevant. I really like hiking and running. I have 2 cats at home, and then one other fun fact is I have 11 tattoos.
Now we're going to introduce Nora. She's not here as well, but she'll be here on the next club meeting. Now we're going to introduce Stan. Israel's not here as well, but he'll be here to introduce himself next meeting. Now we have the VP of the club.
Hi, I'm Sam. Like Catherine, I'm also a math major, and unironically, I really enjoy it. I love it. I love doing math and solving problems. So I guess, oh yeah, and he's also a math major. So join us. There's like single digits worth of us. So I'm really not joking. I needed 2 electives this semester, and I couldn't even take them because not enough math students existed. So I also minored in writing, and I like to play soccer. I also like to go biking. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Leandro Gamara. I'm the president of the club. I joined originally in spring 2020, where I was a secretary, and was elected president in June of 2021. Yeah, and I joined just to spread the computer science love around campus, as we saw that it wasn't really rampant at that time, but now we've seen a bunch of students joining this college just for computer science, which is good to see. And then some fun facts about myself is that I've entered previously as a software engineer at Nextdoor this past summer. And I love watching movies and a bunch of shows, but shows that aren't too long, less than 3 seasons or so. And yeah, I love watching and playing soccer in my free time. My favorite player is Messi. I don't know if there's any Ronaldo fans out there.
No Ronaldo fans.
Yeah, that's a little bit of me. And I'll pass it over to Sam to talk about our spring
Right.
events.
So we're just gonna go over like what we have planned for the rest of the semester. This is kind of what we've talked about within our team, what we think would be interesting to you guys, what we think is important. I will also say it's not set in stone. We're still thinking of picking something else and dropping something, but yeah, so anyway. So the first event, we also talked about this. We had a GitHub presentation last semester, but GitHub is used across all companies, all platforms. So we think that it's so important. We're just going to do one every semester. So our first meeting will be, we'll talk about connecting GitHub, like the site, to your IDE. We'll talk about pushing and pulling, merging with other branches, and we'll talk about how to fix errors if you have any, and you probably will because it's Git. Then we'll talk about computer networking basics. This is more, hey guys, welcome. Where's Catherine's QR code, by the way? It's right there. Can you guys, whoever just came in, if you didn't get a chance to scan the QR code, please? We need that for club attendance records. So yeah, so there's going to be computer networking basics. This is a cybersecurity event. It's going to talk about, how do you set up your defenses and all these different layers, levels. Then we're going to talk about React, which is more of a front end website development app. That's going to be Leandro right over there. He's going to be showing you guys how it works. And then also at the end, he'll show you how to connect something backend like Python, SQL, well, specifically SQL, but you'll connect that into React so that you can have a nice, good looking app with a good working backend. And then we'll have a cybersecurity Python event. We had some cybersecurity events last semester, but we haven't really gone in depth into the Python, I think. So one of our cybersecurity folks will dive in deeper. And so if you guys don't know, we're going to have a hackathon this semester. Hello. QR code, please. We're gonna have a hackathon this semester. So we'll have, right there, thank you. We'll have this meeting where we'll, brief everyone. What are the rules? How does it work? You guys can create your teams. And just in general, we'll go over, deadlines, when is it happening, certain prizes, and what are the criteria. So look forward to that. So we'll have board elections this April, right? April 24th, there you go. So Annie, I, and Leandro are all graduating this semester. So hopefully, thank you. So we're gonna need some wonderful people to step up and help out. And then we'll have the hackathon itself. We're planning right now for April 28th and 29th. That's a Friday, Saturday. Because we're thinking we'll do like a Friday virtual day, and then Saturday will be in person, and then we'll have like an award thing. But again, still ironing out the details. And yeah, you can see here like what we're kind of thinking about. We're gonna have, like I said, 2-day hackathon. We're gonna focus on cybersecurity, web development, and blockchain. We're also thinking of making this into a social good type of thing. So whatever you might be passionate about or interested in, please throw it in, work it in somehow. And then last but not least, we'll have a senior farewell party because we are egocentric and we wanna send off. No, but seriously, we'll also have sashes for anybody who wants, like CSS Club, some cheesy, corny stuff, but maybe you'll like it for the memories. Yeah, so those are all our events, and then Annie will take it away with the new developments.
All right, new club development. So earlier today, we mentioned taking the club to new heights. And in our case, that would mean expanding the club's internal focus to include opportunities that all students from all majors are invited to come here and share their love for technology with everybody else. So first off, we have the involvement fair. The involvement fair will take place in the Hound Square. This is on where the Starbucks located, which is, I believe, the second floor. This is where students can find out more about all the various clubs that exist at John Jay. Definitely a good opportunity to work with to network with other students. We will have our own table during the fair, so please make sure to stop by our table and talk to some execs. We'll also have some snacks. So the date is on Tuesday, February 7th, 2023. Time 1:30 p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Ooh, sorry, my bad. Location, again, it's at Hound Square. We also have the second day of the Hound Square, which is on Thursday, February 8th, 2023. Time 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Location, same thing as the first one, Hound Square. Next up, we have Breakthrough Tech Info Session. All right, so come join an info session led by Abby Kawala. She is the recruitment and placement coordinator at Breakthrough Tech, which is an organization dedicated to bringing all of the college students in and encourage them to pursue a career in technology. So the info session program, Breakthrough Tech program, which is a program hosted at Cornell Tech that helps college women, trans and cis, non-binary, and other unrepresented groups in tech gain the skills they need to get jobs in the fastest growing areas of tech, like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So the date is today at 6 o'clock p.m. From 6 o'clock p.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. Zoom is over here. We will circulate the presentation, I believe, here today. And the details, virtual event hosted and ran by Breakthrough Tech. Next up, we have CSS website blog. So if any of you have an article that you would like to share with everybody else on the internet and with the members here at the CSS Club, there's a submit button in the website. And this is open to anybody, literally anybody who is passionate about technology.
Let me just add
Sure.
to this that having a blog is a really good way for you to get your word out.
Mhm.
You might just have some ideas that, let's say you might not have the skills to implement that into code, but you have an idea and you thought it through or whatever, write it out, medium.com, create an account for free, post your blog on there, and anybody can read your stuff. And you never know, New York Times might reach out. And yeah, you can post it on here as well, but it's a really good way to just, get your writing out there. So yeah,
Definitely.
medium.com, highly recommend.
Definitely.
And follow me on Medium.
Speaking about blogs, I've just posted mine's 3 most important things to consider before signing up to any graduate school events. This is for all of you who are interested in attending graduate school sometime in the future, maybe 2025, 2024. Hey, this is something to think about. Next thing, this is the big thing. CSS team new positions. Okay, so we are recruiting for the following positions: web developer, journalist, data analyst, and photographer. Starting up with web developer, the responsibilities for a web developer will consist of maintaining Club's website, coming up with the new features or ideas for the website. This person must have an experience with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This person also should have an experience with Git and GitHub. Next up is the journalist. So this person will submit articles to the CSS Club blog page about all club events. This person will also proofread and edit articles, any articles, all articles, you name it. This person should be comfortable and passionate about public speaking, journalism, reporting, and writing. Next up, data analyst. So this person will gather data from club events engagement. This person will have experience using Microsoft Excel and other products from the Microsoft Office. This person should be comfortable presenting and understanding data in terms that the general population can understand. Last but not least, photographer. This person has experience taking professional photos. This person should be able to take photos in club events and activities. Also submit photos to club website, comfortable with that. And last but not least, this person should own a professional camera.
That would be nice. It's not required.
It's not
but
required.
Also, these are obviously non-paid positions. We don't have a budget
Yeah.
for that. But yeah,
And we're-
for the record, we're also unpaid, so, you know, whatever.
And we're a student club, not a company.
Yeah.
All right. Stop, Cyberhounds. I'll take it over.
Isn't it?
Yeah, Brian's actually the lead of this, I guess, sub-team of the computer science club. They're a cybersecurity focused team, dealing with capture the flags. Here, capture the flag is a type of information security competition that challenges competitors to solve a variety of tasks. So they focus on like red team, blue team, and cybersecurity. And this is where the team meets in the 6th floor lab bi-weekly. But more information can be found in our Discord, so we highly suggest you join our Discord and reach out to Brian. This is his Discord handle. And he'll be able to answer any questions regarding how to join, where they meet, and any information on the website. And yeah, this is basically it.
Yeah,
So
his
if you-
handle's down there.
Yeah, his handle's down there. If you guys need to contact,
Yeah,
that's his Discord handle.
yeah, I think, well, he's in the Discord as one of the execs, so you can go to like roles and you'll find him there.
Yep, so if you're highly interested in like cybersecurity, the hacking sort, this is definitely something we recommend you do.
Definitely a good experience to gain. If you want to go into cybersecurity, hacking, and all that kind of stuff.
But moving on. So a couple of our events, like we mentioned earlier today, we have the involvement fair, Wednesday and Thursday at the Hound Square. So more information can be found on our website and the flyers for everyone on Zoom as well. We posted a link earlier today. And by show of hands, how many of you guys have been to one of our events before? So I go, and who's this the first time joining today? Nice.
Oh.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
So I guess our first computer science related event will be next week on Monday. This will be a virtual event because there's no school next Monday because I think it's Lincoln's birthday. So we made it virtually. But for anyone who's new, our coding events usually go by we do slides at the beginning, sort of to explain the topic. In this case, we'll talk about what Git and GitHub are, why they're used, and why you should have some sort of knowledge on them. And after that, then we have a demo where we show you how to use both of these tools. So that's just a small insight on how our events go typically. So that would be Monday. And just to wrap things up for today, these are a couple of links for anyone on Zoom to join, and all these links on here can be found on the flyers or on the website.
And on Discord.
Yeah, on Discord, definitely. And GitHub, if anybody wants to.
Yeah.
Check out GitHub.
And for anyone new, the way we communicate through our mailing list, so we suggest you sign up to that. And we're really active on Discord. So if you want to reach out to us, we're always active on there. Or if you just want to chill and talk with other members of the club.
Yeah.
That's where you would do that.
Also, you guys, the club website is, if you want to do something, you can put something and request a push onto Git, and then the two leaders will either approve or disapprove. But it's possible. You guys could be on the club website, so
Yep.
let it be known.
Yes.
Yep, or if you guys have any suggestions on future events that you guys would like to see, or any sponsors that you think we should connect with, or companies that we should partner with, just let us know through email or through Discord, whichever works for you.
And again, if you have an article that you would like to submit to the club and be shown on the club's blog website, do not forget to visit our website. It's under the blog section on the menu, and there should be an option for you to submit your article. Woo.
Yeah, but that's really all we had planned today. It's just a small introduction on who we are, what you guys can expect in the following weeks for this semester. And then we can just spend the rest of the meeting just talking or chilling and eating food that we have here.
Last but not least, please be on the lookout for the date, time, and location for the GitHub. I believe the location is virtual. The time should be during the community hour. Date should be in the presentation. We do have one important announcement to make, and we plan to make on the next meeting, not this one.
Oh, and sorry, one major announcement for anyone who's interested in cybersecurity. John Jay students do have a discount on CompTIA certification. So if you're interested in that, we'll post a new announcement because we announced this last semester on how you could get discounts on any certifications like Security Plus, stuff like that. And we actually do have a flyer for the GitHub workshop for next week. So if you guys want to take a look at that or take it home, I'll circulate this. Yeah, thank you. Yep, and again, we recommend you guys join our team or apply, even if you don't fit those requirements, doesn't really matter. And based on interest, if we get multiple people who would like to join each position, then we can expand it even more, but yeah.
All of these positions are open to all students with all majors. So anybody who has an English major, anybody who has a writing major, just literally anyone can apply to all 4 of these positions.
Yep, if you guys have any questions, we'll be here and we'll keep the Zoom open until 2:55.
Yep.
Thank you guys for coming. We'll see you. On you guys might have to take that exam from one.
This we don't take care of. I've never, I personally never done any of those.
I have no idea how to use this. I'm gonna have or computer on the computer. I don't know.
Probably.
How to do it.
Okay, no, we went. Do you know you was
So I don't actually use Discord at all. Is there any way to get in touch with Brian or is there other ways to communicate or is Discord really?
Second, Brian. You can email us and I'll look into the email. If you scan this, I'll take you to our website or take this, take it to our website and there you can find the club's email. It shows email on Brian. Yeah, so it'll pop up over there.
No law.
Hey, we're gonna turn this as a presentation.
Well, yeah, you sign up to on this. And then later today or
So
at latest tomorrow.
and you'll see, we got some other classes there, so you can look at those, not everybody's.
Mention on the email and then I'll answer. What should it is? So you need whatever your interests are or a little summary of our past events.
You have any questions?
Like any events that we have throughout this matter, we can post it on the blog. So yeah, that's not. Yep, right now we only have one article. Just watch it. Yeah. Well, anyone could.
To go there, go to like club website and then collaborate. And menu.
Yeah, because I would.
Okay.
I don't know.
Looking at that, and I would rather do, I'd rather like comments before than like do that.
You help, like, going into it?
That would be, yeah.
I dropped out because I had.
Oh, I didn't listen, I didn't. No, I knew you, I mean, I knew you were doing well, you have to understand. Is that that class is one of those like, if you understand the logic?
Yeah, so
We'll take it out of there.
the only file, so it's content can be like Michael consider.
Yeah.
So
It is.
we got the same thing.
It was another, so student was me, I wrote.
Yeah. Incorrect. So. Defensive.
Yeah, I was literally thinking like.
the
wall. Yeah.
And so like, once you figure out. Yeah, like if you can get past that.
Yeah, no, I went to, when I took his class, it was online. So I went to his office hours, and I was like the only one there.
Yeah.
So for the entire hour, it was just like I had like a one-on-one tutoring session. Right?
So I would
And he was-
actually.
I was saying he was still late.
Yeah, I know, I'm sure, I'm sure.
He had his camera on, right? He saw somebody join the waiting room. He's like, "Oh my God." So yeah, he's a very nice man.
So I announced this in the, so I'm attending like, it's like. At the 8 o'clock. I have a class for the 8 o'clock class, so I attended the second one.
Yeah.
But I announced that this was going on today, so I don't know if anybody made it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I was trying to talk to others, kind of like, usually I go on the. People were gonna come in, like motivated.
That program goes right in here.
But hey,
So like, one like
I'm glad you're feeling better.
Yeah, no, you know.
Yeah.
Because
yeah,
I wasn't that stuck, and I got over it pretty fast, but you couldn't come back to school
Yeah, that's
until
the
you
intro
tested negative.
Right, and that
And
could
it
literally be months.
took weeks. Weeks.
Yeah.
And then even after I finally had the test, guess whoever in the health department.
I know most of it.
One less to the
I
other.
know most of it's just like, yeah, over.
So it was even longer.
And
Yeah.
it's like, that was the point at which.
Yeah. I had that.
Wait, so were you done with the semester? At that
He's like
point?
one of the reasons.
No, like this is not.
I mean, one of the reasons that you were done with the rest of the semester?
Yeah.
Because yeah, I was going to.
And I was like, how am I gonna?
Yeah. So you would.
Mostly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just. So now it's like, yeah.
The very famous, it's a very long
walking
story.
class.
I started.
No,
You
yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
It's not like once you start, like, I mean, everyone gets
Test.
To you?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was on the random test list, so I was like,
I got tested once when I first came. like,
Yeah.
and then-
yeah. I mean, it's good. They're doing it. Yeah, it's just reflect.
I get like the other ones.
Yeah. So I'm actually really. Talk for your senior center number.
Yeah.
And I decided to-
Yeah, that's actually. I don't think it's. I came.
Yeah.
After the first, like near the end of the semester, I learned the count like, you know, it's like.
The first day that I did it, allowing.
Yeah, they're up. Yeah.
And it's like, please come.
Yeah.
No, if it was only option at that point.
No, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. Talk to you. Yeah. I don't- it's like, you forget to, like,
Well,
I know there were some people, yeah.
Yeah.
can't be mad at it, but what I know, like,
No, I mean, it's kind of possible. He's literally like, didn't have any class, all of, you know, right? Right there. Yeah, maybe.
I mean, if I could just.
To the COVID, right? I got
It's
one
like,
down.
if I
Like,
could just get
like dark, like, I get like that means
I'm like,
like.
you know.
2 weeks living.
Start writing
Like one. And then after.
Okay.
Snowballs.
Okay, good, good.
But it does. It's him, and you can get fulfilled.
Yeah.
Trump's classes.
The thing I'm being. No, the thing I'm being is my. Not.
Depends on the problem.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, yeah.
He's taking right now.
Yeah, it is.
That's my.
One, you have those three, have all of them.
You have, yeah, he's my. He's off.
Oh, really? Yeah, and I was actually impressed.
That's
The time that they made it. Yeah.
But since- Not that
No,
For that reaction.
Yeah.
It's possible.
No, I am just thinking. Like I haven't. But. So when I see them on the sidewalk, it's like, oh, hi, how are you?
Name.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm taking. Structures.
Wait, data structure is database
Yeah.
mining or is it?
No, data structure.
Okay, oh, no, data structure is something else.
Right.
Okay.
Whatever.
What you guys-
Asian guy.
Well,
Yeah, so he seems good.
So that's the same shit as your computer.
Jury's
They have
still-
line. That's why we have like
You know, it's one
one
of
zero one,
those
like
things.
that's how all numbers are.
I read it like the first day, right? I haven't.
Yeah,
So like
now, I don't know why they teach.
I'm
these,
very
but
confident.
these from other majors that.
Yeah,
are-
because.
And like.
I don't know.
I think that now,
And they're like,
COVID, and so we like. Through.
And it was.
Wait,
And the- and
Oh.
the sun confused.
So that's like this used for like color.
Everybody made it. And.
Basically, it's really. Yeah, I know, that's not. Yeah. I don't remember.
Certainly, you don't need any.
See, then I came.
They're giving you like a tutor, like.
Summer session already, already, and got through it, and it was funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, and so. It was like, I wasn't sure, but I was using the. And I was. Yeah. And it was like. That's how it is.
I did make one. The worst thing to do on Teams, right? This one, like, segment.
Yeah.
You have a problem, you're gonna go to your boss and do that. I didn't, what you do? Oh, no, you're just not issuing it. I didn't know what the hell to do. You wanna, nobody ever does that. You have a problem.
Yeah, a lot of it's like.
I did do that, I think. You did this and let's branch off.
Not exactly, like,
They're like.
some stuff in architecture.
You come to us with a
You're like
question.
literally.
I wanna see what you guys do something.
Right, exactly.
And they're like.
I want to say it's super complicated. It's like, you're basically learning the underlying, and I'm like, how is this?
Right.
That was when they said that. Yeah, but listen.
Because I think that is the.
No,
Yes, like I started with the flow in some of that, like.
I think there's.
I got it, like, I want to.
It's very, but. And I've heard.
That's how I. I feel like I'm good at what I do. So I.
But it's been like literally 2-3 years
Since 2-3 years.
since it's like.
And then basically, I just.
Yeah. And so like, we're, you know, this is what we're trying to find the format as well, like this central, like city nation, like we're trying to really put it in anywhere. Like, we gotta understand that like, we output.
It's not.
It is like,
But,
Oh, that was.
yeah, I had a.
No idea.
Look, it's what they say.
But what I was gonna say, the teacher that was.
Yeah, it's.
Like,
Honestly, I like it, but I've been paid for
there's teachers who
They want me to do it, but they don't.
don't get it.
So it's like, I'm left.
But it will still be good for me.
That's fair.
And that's what I think this guy.
That's fair. That's a good. That's
Um,
I like.
Okay,
Wait,
yes. So, yeah. So.
This is like, making
So we
sure.
have.
These are much.
And I mean, it's like, my father's house.
I
2 years ago, I totally got it.
know it sounds real, but you're also, but give yourself some time.
I don't realize.
Yeah.
So what's the word on house?
No, it's like projects.
Yeah.
He's a really smart guy, and he's actually a very interesting guy. Like I've spoken to him with like outside of class.
Yeah.
And he's very, Last year, material. He'd be like, "You don't have any questions?" I'm like,
Yeah.
"Good, I need to tell them you just."
There's a lot.
I know, like.
This is kind of explains whatever. Yeah, I'm just saying like.
Yeah, I mean, anytime the teacher
Get
says.
started.
Nobody ever, like, people.
But
Because.
that was a pretty good idea.
She asks.
This will help you learn the basics.
The chances, like, 1 in 1,000 people have some.
So.
These are the chances if you take a test, you have the disease. And then these are the times required to go to the disease.
Yeah, you can tell me the word, get it. That's something that you're gonna need.
And then. And
They.
then what are the chances of any one person takes the test? And we both positive and.
Okay, sure.
And what's. Drawing it out. Like people. And then he was like, yeah. And so when she asked, does anybody have any questions? I was sort of like, what did you just do? I don't understand enough to know what my question is supposed to be.
I don't want it, I don't know. Yeah. These. Also, when I had.
Yeah.
The latest, that's awesome, was 11.
I would say this.
Right.
is very-
Yeah, that was-
Here, like, I'm done. Yeah, just give it flat. If you like any questions, well, like,
Yeah, so I would say that.
Yeah.
Do that.
I'm.
This is like, again, that is another class.
What do you? Yeah, but I'm not. He's still the entire.
Yeah, I read the more like, I'm sitting into like, he had like. Hey.
I don't know.
Yeah. If that were the case, right, if he kept going, we would have literally done.
You know, like,
Well, there was a guy with like.
you know, like, where. We're doing corners right now. So like.
Oh, there's another one, yeah.
Whatever. Like, story. So like, so when you that's what you have. I can make 5 sections to get it. That's for like your outputs, data, just pass out like outputs.
Yeah.
The thing is like.
If that happened, I would have been. See, that's the thing.
Right, you want to get something out, right?
Right, like.
Depends where
Like, what are the chances that you're gonna use everything that
you do like that.
Right.
I feel like if I miss this one class of material, I feel like I'm gonna get that.
I know, see, but that's, you got it exactly right. I mean, plan that they're not gonna give you another teacher.
Right.
They're gonna. And the winners will be identified for the teacher.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, at the same time.
Issues, see what.
That's why I was
So I'm
like. Things like that, yeah. Like, let me tell you why I love working with
I'm a little interested in the journalist position.
Yeah, I mean, listen, we make like Instagram posts and we make LinkedIn posts, right? Like usually I write them and I keep it. But yeah, I think we just, if also we were to post blog articles, right, they would also be kind of interesting. Like we're just, like I said, with the major has kind of blown up in the school and stuff, well, because of that, right? So like kind of.
So I,
That is.
there's very old fashioned science. A lot of material. Ours technically, ARS.
ARS is
Write a single line of code to apply.
Oh, and it's just like news stories.
Yeah, and I mean, it's pretty much like the old blog format,
Sure.
but they always get computer science degree. They're really like. The number of stories that they're in there, just flossing.
Sure, I mean, listen, it also comes down to, there's something that might interest you that might.
Sure.
But, yeah, listen, if you want to do that and you find some else, like, yes, I mean, even if you're not. I'm not against it, I'm just saying, you can still post that.
Yeah.
That article.
So let me think about it.
So, yeah, those are good question, you know, these are, like I said, clubs, one-ups, we all run, we cover, what's it called?
Yeah.
So we're trying to like delegate a little bit more. These are some of the things that we have to do, right, that we thought,
Right, you can have a formal.
exactly. I thought, I think photography.
How many? So we're the largest, third largest major.
That's the one.
How many people are
like that.
That's something, I mean, we're averaging last semester, we were averaging,
That's like
35 people in person, and about 15 to 20 people on Zoom meeting, right?
And then
like, we were having 50 to 65
That's pretty good.
That is pretty good.
That's excellent.
And,
stories like.
oh, so there, the Discord, it's humongous, you know, like anybody. You probably have one. And graduates and people who have other majors, but I can convince my friends who are like English. So, like, I can't give you like the precise number of days, right? But like it's constantly growing. Like, we won't even have an event. We'll have somebody join the Discord and like somebody, a single friend who's like, hey, I'm saying it, like, invite me. But, yeah.
And actually, yes. I spoke to the advisor, who's the first person on the thing.
Oh, Chris Church.
Chris Church. Because I've done this.
And then
Junior, it's like, and he's like, you need to start thinking about. Go into computer science.
Oh, that's literally what he did. I know that's.
Go into computer science.
No, yeah. And we have a chance. Are you on the Discord?
Not yet.
Well, here, I can add you. We're also on the website, but we have.
Yeah, I was gonna go on the website and just join her.
Yeah, okay, there you go. Let me just show you. We have. Literally called.
I didn't know that.
And like, anybody who has anything, it's just in there, yeah. Yeah, and well, I mean, we got anything out there, we got some web development, we got also.
I know,
Great, I can check that one out.
Yeah, sure. It's always fun. It's like, when there's a channel. You always have a look.
Yeah.
You know, it's like.
Listen, not belonging to a single substance. Us for what?
Yeah.
I mean,
No, I was like, so. You do, capture the flag, how many people are?
that's like, so for Brian, that's what I'm for Brian. Brian's the one who runs the.
Can you say, like,
No, but he does a really great job of explaining it. He doesn't like do a step by step. You're sure they meet on Tuesday. So both days for the kind of one frauds.
Yeah, because
Yeah, oh, okay, nice. Yeah, so yeah, you can, Brian, this is Alex. Brian.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. He was just saying, he was asking me if I could capture the flag and I was like, you're probably.
Oh, yeah. So I was wondering how many people come to that event?
Like, what do you like? So, in total, we had 10 people come so far, and like a recurring like 5 have come so far. We only had 2 meetings so far. It was like last week, Tuesday, Thursday, and we for like, I'm there for about like 6 hours each day. And some people kind of stay like 2 to 3 hours. Kind of like a week coming to take. Yeah, they're kind of, yeah, they're pretty good so far.
Okay, so hopefully I'll be showing up.
Oh, okay, yeah, nice. We actually meet like, you know where the 6th floor computer lab is? Where Matt and Brooke sat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we meet in there, so.
Okay, so, yeah, so he was, Professor Coogan's like student tour.
Pretty much.
I was taking his class that time. And then I had COVID. And so when I saw him, I went up and introduced myself because I'm Professor Coogan's student tutor. So Tuesdays during the community hours, students shows.
Oh,
You know, but the rest of the time I'll definitely stop by.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure, stop by, on Tuesdays, we meet from 1 to 7.
Okay, oh, okay, well then, yeah, let's do my ring, I'll come on up.
Yeah, exactly, I'd like to provide a nice time range because then people can come before class, that.
Right.
You know. But yeah, it's a nice little community.
Okay.
Yeah, hope to be there.
Brian?
Yeah, Brian.
Okay, good. Alex, yeah. And good to meet you too.
Me too.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go.
So you feel like you're gonna leave the computer club in good hands? Hopefully, right? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave you to lunch
Okay.
and I'll see you in one of the other meetings.
Yes.
See you.
You got it?
Have a nice day. Thank you. I was watching the video on Zoom. It looked good.
Yeah, we were like.
It closed in our fall. We had to wait for public safety to open it. We were standing out there for like 40 minutes. They didn't know how long looking the whole meeting. By the time you guys finished, they opened it. Like, that's it. Yeah. And I was hearing the water the whole time. The water for remaining. I guess we'll save it for the next one. And then to get up is virtual. Oh, more? It's like. Oh, nice job announcing the new position, by the way. That's really good.
Yeah, no, I was like. I used to have a few doors opportunities for all of us.
There was so much soup, it's just like more.
Four whole new positions.
So,
Forgot to explain about what position to one of the club members, because I was like, bro, there was literally a lot of positions.
just, here's the form, look at it. We like to see if all the goals and stuff.
And then.
Like, we're gonna feel like I'm taking
Asked
class
him about
to, like,
the assistant
like,
treasurer, I was like, oh, yeah, you
Yeah, it's really virtual right now. Yeah.
trash. Oh, up there, and then if you take your right. Oh, it's all the way out there? Yeah.
Oh, geez, okay.
It's like,
Hey, Brian.
it's like. Like,
Yeah, so if you, pop it up and then,
At 6 to 7.
were you able to send